Hi everybody, Paul here. Not long ago, our clothes dryer started making a lot of noise when it would run. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most common problems that causes a noisy clothes dryer. Always remember to unplug appliances when performing maintenance on them. So the first thing we'll need to do is remove this entire front panel by removing a few screws located here and here. So once the screws have been removed, just lift up on the bottom of the panel and remove it like so. Next, you'll want to remove this wire off of this clip so that it's out of the way. So as you can see, we've got a bracket here with 2 screws and a bracket over here with 2 screws. Those 4 screws have to be removed. Now this entire front unit can be removed, which holds the front of the drum. So the way this works is, and the reason it's making so much noise, as the machine is running and the drum is turning, it's supported in the front and in the back by a felt pad. And that pad, as you can see, is just starting to disintegrate, and down here it's actually completely gone. So I inspected the felt pad on the back and it's good. So we just need to replace this one here, and it should be quite easy to do, and I bought a kit to do that. So there it is right there. Now what you're going to notice is this felt pad is held all the way around with these metal tabs. So all you have to do is go ahead and place the unit down on the ground and take a screwdriver and just push down on the tab, okay? And there's the one I just pushed, and then that'll release the pad so that you can install the new one. Now some of these tabs you won't be able to access from the back, so just go ahead and access it from the front, put a screwdriver in, and go ahead and just slowly bend it out, and then that'll release the felt pad. So once you've got all your tabs pulled out and your felt pad removed, go ahead and clean the whole area out real good with a vacuum cleaner. I found it works easiest if you just lay the unit flat and then just push the felt in and then push the tab in. Now the ends of the old felt pad unit were actually stapled together, so I'm going to do the exact same thing to the new one. I bought an extra felt pad kit, and I bought glue that you can buy for it. And let me see if I can get this to focus. There it is right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the glue right inside here, and then I'm going to let it set till it gets tacky, is what it says to do, and then I'm going to lay this in here just for extra insurance. So there's the other piece of felt padding glued in. Then go ahead and just put everything back together. Sounds like new. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.